What's going on, guys? It's Dell from the Last Dev Studios, and we are back once again. Sorry guys, it's been a few weeks since I last posted from the last devlog we did, but trust me, there's been a lot of updates. As you guys can see here, I've made a lot of progress. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Dell, and this is the Last Dev Studios, also known as TLD Studios. And this is the new title that we're working on, titled Rodent Rampant, which is to release later on this year. Me and my buddy Brian Kissling are working on this day in and day out to hopefully, bring something new that hasn't been seen already. But before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to my first 3 Patreon supporters / backers for the development of my new unreleased indie title, Rodent Rampant. All right, guys. So with the last release of the last devlog, I said that I wanted to implement a mechanic which allowed the character to climb up objects and walls, and everything was going smooth. I got the animations down, and I worked within the blend space and got everything working correctly. But for some reason, I just couldn't get the character to walk and transition to climb an object once he walked up a wall. Then after, X amount of hours, I finally got it to walk up walls, but I couldn't get the animations to work correctly. But in the end, I ended up getting it to work somewhat. It's not polished, but it gets the job done for now for this devlog. So next thing I need to work on was decals. So you see the materials on the floor, which makes it look a lot more messier and grotesque. This took quite a bit of time, just making sure everything made sense. And once I got that flushed out, I moved forward towards more detail on the floor and the walls, and also adding vines to the environment just to give it more life and tell a more in-depth story. So as you guys can see in these few screenshots and renderings, that there's a lot of vines and veins going throughout the environment. So if you guys like the video so far, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you guys want to support this project and help back it. The link to the Patreon will be in the description below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.